Well, I'm coming to you this afternoon to show you how easy it is to install a root quencher. It's literally as simple as dig a hole, cut into an irrigation line, and you're good to go. My drip irrigation line has kind of failed me on taking care of these blueberries. So, there's our root quencher. I'm going to screw that into the end of the quencher. I'm going to cut into the existing irrigation line. I'm going to install a T to make the connection, and we're good to go. So we just fill in the dirt around it, turn on our zone, we can adjust the flow, and we're all set. It's all hooked up in 5 minutes or less.